Good morning students. Today I am going to explain the class 9th topic chapter 4 topic pressure in fluid, atmospheric pressure, atmospheric pressure or atmospheric pressure. Students, in the pressure, first of all we need to know about the thrust. Two topics are there, one is thrust and second one is upthrust. First of all, what is thrust? Thrust means the force which we applied normally in the downward direction. Normal, in the physics the normal word means 90 degree. That means if we applying the force downward directly on the object, then that is the thrust. Suppose in a loose sand, if we move on the loose sand, then after us that our footprints are there, footprints, because our whole body is acting on the weight on the downward side, and if we lie down on that loose sand, then there will be no any that very less footprints, our body prints are there, will be there, because pressure applied directly on the whole body, the weight of the whole body acting in the less area. That means we can say that the force is applied in a direction normal. Normal means 90 degree or perpendicular means 90 degree downward to that surface is called thrust. So the thrust, the first is thrust. The thrust means the acting normally, the force acting normally, the force acting normally on the surface. Then its SI unit. Its SI unit is thrust is Newton, because it is working on the force. If we are working on the force, then its SI unit is Newton. Then its CGS unit, what is the SI unit of CGS unit of force? Same here, that is dyne. And this thrust is a vector quantity. Then students, what is pressure? Pressure means the effect of thrust in less on a large area, while that means thrust is less on large area. If the area is large, then the force will be acting less. You know that if on a balloon, if big balloon is there and if we apply a force on outward side, then it can consume or it can will not be burst. But if a small balloon is there and that much air is inside, and if we apply a force outside, it can be burst, because the small the area, more the thrust is there because of pressure. So if we stand on the loose sand, your feet sink into the sand, but if you lie down on the sand, your feet body does not sink on the sand. Why? In the both the case, the thrust is exerted on the sand is same. That means equal to weight, but effect are different. Effect are different means when we are standing, then thrust act on the larger area. If we then smaller area, then more pressure will be there. If we lie down, that means larger the area, smaller the thrust. So pressure is the thrust per unit area. So SI unit of pressure. So pressure is the thrust, that is the per unit area on a surface. So pressure is a scalar quantity. Pressure is a scalar quantity and its SI unit is Newton per meter square. SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. But the students, this unit we are not using. We are using the main unit that discovered by the Blaise Pascal. That is the SI unit. Instead of this Newton, we are using the Pascal. The Pascal is the SI unit of pressure. And in the ICSE they are asking who discovered the SI unit of pressure. So its answer is Blaise Pascal. So what is 1 Pascal? 1 Pascal is the pressure because it is the SI unit of pressure. So Pascal is the pressure exerted on the surface of area 1 meter square of by the force of 1 Newton acting normally on it. So the SI unit is same way the dyne. So what are the other units of pressure? Other units are also there, that is millibar and bar. Bar and millibar are the other units of pressure. So in the ICSE they have asked 1 millibar is equal to how many Newton meter, or 1 bar is equal to how many Newton meter square. So 1 bar is equal to 10 raised to power 5, or 1 millibar is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 bar, or 10 raised to power 2 Newton meter square. So the atmospheric pressure is generally in the term of the height of the mercury. Normally we are expressing when we want in a thermometer what is inside mercury is there, mercury thermometer is there. So normally we are using the atmospheric pressure by the mercury column. So the normal temperature and pressure of the barometric height is 0.76 meter of mercury. Hg, what Hg is the symbol of the mercury, or 76 centimeter of mercury, or 760 millimeter of the mercury. So the atmospheric pressure is also expressed in the unit atmosphere. So 1 atmosphere, very important question, how many atmosphere are there in 1 Pascal? 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to how many Pascal? So 1 atmosphere is equal to 1 atmosphere is equal to 1.013 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. So this is very important. Students, you know that what are the factors affecting the pressure. The pressure exerted on a surface depend upon 2 factors. Number 1, it is the area on which the thrust is applied. You know, if it is a brick, so if you fold the brick in this direction, then it will be a more the area, less the pressure. And if you throw the brick at this direction in this way, then less smaller the area, more will be the thrust, then it will hit more in the downward direction. So same way how can we increase the pressure? So increase the pressure means reduce the area. If we reduce the area, then pressure will be increased. You know that the this pin or this pin we are having, and it's the base point is very tip. Point is, that means area is less, and if we apply the force in the downward direction, it will insert easily, because the area is less, smaller the area, more the thrust. Then end of the nails are made pointed. Why? So as to large pressure is exerted through the pointed ends, and they can driven into with a less effort. You know, all the cutting tools are, why the cutting tools and having a pointed edge or sharp edge. You are having know that cutting blade having a sharp, very sharp. Why? Because the smaller the area, large the pressure. So oppositely, in the vice versa, if we can say, then how can we decrease the pressure? The same way, decrease the pressure means increase the area. If we increase the area, then the pressure will be less. You know that when we are making a new building, the foundation is broad. Why we make the broad foundation when we make the new building? So as the pressure will be less. You know that the vehicle which is carrying a heavy load taking, so its tires are broader than the cycle tire or scooter tire or motorcycle tire. The truck tire is little big than the scooter tire or motorcycle tire, like that, or cycle tire. Why? So as to pressure will be less. Okay, so wide wooden sleepers are placed on the below the railway track. Why? Because the railway having a railway train has a more weight, so it can act less pressure. Then pressure in a fluid. Students, you know that in a fluid also having a pressure. First of all, what is fluid? The substance which can flow is called a fluid. So next one we are having a fluid pressure. So pressure in fluid. Pressure in fluid. So suppose this is a bottle having this much water is there, inserted a water over here. Then if we make a hole, one hole is at the downward side and one hole is on the upper side, where this is the A point and this is the B point, from which hole the water will come at a high pressure. From the A hole the pressure will be at this point, and B hole the pressure will be at this, because the weight on the upper side, the less the area, smaller the area, less the pressure. So here more the weight of the water will be there, then it can increase the pressure. So this vessel is here. The fluid contained in a vessel exert pressure in all the points and in all the direction. So, and secondly, if you can see the pressure on the downward side, more the pressure is there, on the upper side less pressure is there. But if you can say what is the pressure at this point and this point, both the points, because both are in perpendicular at the same point, so both the points the pressure will be same. So next very important derivation is there. So what is the formula of the pressure? What is the formula of the pressure? P is equal to H. What is the symbol? This symbol is a density symbol. So we can pronounce as a rho. H rho G. What is G? Acceleration due to gravity. H is height. This is density symbol and this is gravity symbol. So in this we can will produce as a depth. Height means depth in the pressure and density, and acceleration due to gravity. So we know that the thrust is equal to weight. Suppose we can take one example. Take one container, and this will having this container block is there. It is filled with the water, inserted and filled with the water. P, it's having a P, Q, R, S. So it is having a weight. Thrust is equal to weight of P, Q, R and S. So then thrust weight, it is having a water. Water means it is having a volume of liquid column PQRS multiplied by density, because this liquid having a density also. So volume, how can we find out the volume? Means its area. It is equal to area into density and into acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so a formula of area we can find out. Area is equal to into height. Area into height we can find out, into density symbol is rho into G. So this thrust is equal to, we are having a thrust is equal to thrust A multiplied by H multiplied by, this symbol is rho into G upon formula for thrust. Thrust is equal to thrust of pressure is equal to thrust upon area. So thrust upon area. Area already we have taken as a and A cancel. So what is left? H rho G. So this thrust derivation is, pressure derivation is very important. So try to read this topic up to this here and solve the exercise related to this topic. Thank you.